Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad Graham. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth process. You will need about 2 cups of your favorite mixed fruit, 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk, and 8 sheets of Graham crackers. Having everything chilled beforehand makes a big difference in the final texture and taste. Also, prepare a 9 by 9 inch dish for assembly. Next, let's prepare the fruit. Wash and chop your fresh fruits into small, bite-sized pieces, aiming for consistency. A good mix of fruits like mangoes, peaches, and grapes works wonderfully. If you are using canned fruits such as fruit cocktail, make sure to drain them very well. Excess liquid can make your salad watery, which we definitely want to avoid for a perfect Graham dessert. Now let's start assembling. First, crush 4 sheets of Graham crackers into fine crumbs and spread them evenly as the base layer in your prepared dish. Next, gently fold your prepared fruit into half of the sweetened condensed milk. Spread this fruit and milk mixture over the Graham cracker base. Then, carefully place the remaining 4 whole Graham cracker sheets on top of the fruit layer, creating a nice, solid middle. To finish, pour the remaining sweetened condensed milk evenly over the top layer of Graham crackers. This will help soften them and bind everything together beautifully. Cover your dish and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, allowing the flavors to meld and the crackers to soften. Once chilled, slice and serve this delightful dessert. It's perfect for any occasion. For more great deals, including that car air freshener, check the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.